Hi everyone and welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to use your LinkedIn account in private mode. If you are new to LinkedIn and want to use this feature, this video will guide you through the process step by step. At first, head to your app section and open your LinkedIn app. As you can see, I'm already logged in, but if you are new, you'll have to create a LinkedIn account first. Now we're at the homepage of LinkedIn. Here, simply select your profile icon and click on the settings on the bottom left corner, which is represented by a gear icon. Now, in the setting, select visibility and click on the first option, that is profile viewing option. From here, you can simply enable the private mode and now your account is private. And just like that, we have successfully enabled the private mode on LinkedIn. I hope this video was helpful for you, and finally, thank you and don't forget to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.